Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2008 GMC Yukon XL Denali. Stock number is 18G674A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have 20-inch chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with Continental tires. Running boards on the side, inside leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. You have dual rear-facing entertainment centers in the headrest. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a camera, as well as a factory trailer hitch on the back here. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 50-50 split on the back seats, and as you can actually see back here, you also have the rear entertainment centers on the second row of seats as well. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Both passenger and driver seats are heated seats, and the driver's side has 2-point memory controls. Cruise audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Denali on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.